Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by getting the basics right. Use the original USB cable and a PC with drivers installed so the phone is recognized. Make sure mobile data is on and the APN is correct, because USB tethering shares that connection. Plug the Honor 9 Lite into the computer and unlock the phone. When Android prompts for a USB mode, pick charging to keep the data link ready. Once done, you're ready to open settings where the tethering option lives. Now navigate settings, then wireless and networks, and open tethering and portable hotspot. This is the path on Honor 9 Lite. With the phone still connected, toggle USB tethering on. The system enables a new USB network interface and shares mobile data. On your computer, you should see a new network adapter appear and obtain an IP address automatically. This confirms traffic is routed through the phone. If your computer shows no adapter, give it a moment and then check Device Manager for the connection. To finish, test web access from the computer, open a page, or run a ping to confirm. If nothing loads, first disable VPNs or proxies, and then try a different USB port or the original cable. Many failures are physical. Reinstall PC drivers or restart both devices if needed. This forces the network adapter to reinitialize. Only enable developer options USB configuration if a driver or USB mode issue persists.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.